In the last video, we learned how to create a button and gives you a lot of different options. So we're going to just delete this here and let's click to add something else. Next, we're going to have a carousel. So the carousel, once you click on it, you get the option to choose the image that you want to use for it, and you click to add. So now you have one there, and let's click to add another one. Just going to grab the same thing. So you have another one right there. Let's click to add one more. And you have that. So as people clicking on it, it's switching. Now this is a really cool thing because you can be able to add different images on here to give it a specific look that you're going for. And you can be able to even customize this a little bit more. So let's go to the settings here. Images per slide. How many do you want? You can add as many as you need to, and as you add those here, it expands. So I can click there, click. It's going to keep sliding. So let's go back to edit this. And do you want it to autoplay? When you click autoplay, it's going to automatically just play. Do you want it to pause on mouse over? What that is if it's an autoplay, the moment that you put your mouse over it, then it's going to pause. So I'm going to take that off. You can set the delays here. You can choose horizontal. You can choose fade for the animation. And let's go over to the position here. You can put it below for the caption, or you can put it above. And then for the navigation, you can choose to have arrows or the dots. So when I disable that now, the arrows and the dots are gone. When I click on here, notice that the arrows show up, and you can be able to disable this section again for that. So you can pretty much just mess with the different colors here that you want to go with. You can tweak things around, and then you go over to the design. You can change the color, the title. You can pretty much just feel free to go ahead and just mess with it or be creative. You know, add your images there, add different items that you want to put there, and you're going to get something that comes out really, really nice, and it gives you a lot of flexibility to do so.